first word of the wolf. My name is Taylor.
And my name is Levi.
We bring you the news on Friday mornings.
Today is Friday, September 13th.
We are happy you are here.
Let's head over to get a school news report.
Hi, my name is Brandon.
And my name is Owen.
And we are here to talk Wolfpack news.
Check out these pictures from last Friday's homecoming parade.
We love supporting our high school wolves. Can't see it.
Monday officially kicks off our creek chase season.
This fun run is my favorite day of the year, and it's coming up later in September.
Also next week, Thursday the 19th is picture day.
Be prepared by laying out your clothes the night before.
Hi, my name is Donovan.
And I'm Scout. And we're here to talk sports.
It was another one for the Junior Wolves. I'm here to tell you about the recent Battle of the Creek. Number 20, Nate Banks put the Wolves on the board, scoring the first touchdown of the game, his first of 3 of the night. Number 2, Travis Beasley scored 2 touchdowns as well. And number 52, Grayson Brooks showed up with several 2-point conversions, resulting in a 38-0 victory over the Bison.
Go Wolves! I'm here to talk about girls basketball. With only 4 games left in the regular season, Caitlin Clark and the Indiana Fever have guaranteed themselves a spot in the WNBA playoffs. The Fever has started this season with 1 win and 8 losses, but turned things around with 8 wins in their last 10 games. The WNBA viewership has gone up 183% since Clark has entered the league. With Clark and the Fever in the postseason, the popularity for the women's game should only grow. Now, let's get a reading report. Hi, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Levi.
We have something new planned this year. It's called Camp Read S'mores, and it will be Elsie's first family literacy night.
There will be lots of fun reading and writing activities. So mark your calendars for October 1st.
As part of this literacy fun, each grade is participating in a year-long reading challenge.
I am so excited. I've already read 1 chapter book for my reading log.
Good job. Let's keep reading, Wolves.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Andrew.
Our lunch today is hot dogs and macaroni and cheese.
The weather today will be a high of 82 and a low of 64 with a 51% chance of rain. It would be a good day to read a book on the front porch.
Now will you please pause for a moment of silence?
Now will you please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance? Attention, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
This concludes our first Word of the Wolf this year.
Before we leave, let's finish this week with a Friday joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cal.
Interrupting.
Moo!
We've enjoyed our time with you today. See you next Friday. Liberty, 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 Creek.